Episode 5, Commando 14 Custom Functions. Theme switching. Short press the Sys button to enter Tools extension. Then navigate right to Themes. Scroll down to select your desired theme, press and hold ENT to confirm. And then press Set Active to apply the theme. Theme background customization. Press Sys button and navigate right to enter Themes. Choose a theme that you don't use frequently and replace it. Make sure to remember the theme name for future replacement operations. Next, we'll show you how to change custom themes. Prepare the background images first. Please prepare the background image you want to use in advance. This guide uses Adobe Photoshop as an example for demonstration. The image should have a resolution of 480 by 270 pixels and be in PNG format. Once completed, export the file for later use. Connect the USB data cable to the USB port on the back of the remote controller. On the controller screen, select USB storage SD. After connecting to your computer, open the remote controller's storage drive and locate the themes folder. Find the theme name you noted earlier that need to be replaced, copy that name, and rename the image you exported from Adobe Photoshop accordingly. Then copy the renamed image into the themes folder and overwrite the original file. Once the replacement is complete, restart the remote controller to display the new theme background. Switching and customizing model images. In addition, the model images can also be replaced. The remote controller comes with multiple built-in model images, which you can switch according to your preference. Short press the Sys button to enter the system menu, navigate right to the SD card, then scroll down and select Images. After entering, browse through the images and choose the one you like. You can also customize the model images. Please note the following requirements. Resolution: 192 by 114 pixels, under 1 megabyte. Use English file names when exporting, so they are easier to locate on the remote controller. Once the image is ready, connect the remote controller to your computer via USB, open the storage drive, and paste the image into the Images folder. Finally, turn on the remote controller, go to Images in SD card menu, and select the image you just imported. If you want to explore more customization options, short press ENT to enter Screen Settings. This menu includes a variety of options such as theme colors, theme layouts, and more. You can also explore them on your own, so we won't go into further details here. The Commando 14 joystick LED strip is controlled by the Edit system and is on by default. You can adjust the LED color, behavior, or turn it off according to your preference. Short press the MDL button to enter the system menu, then navigate right to the Special Functions page. Select the RGB LED strip, then short press ENT and choose Edit. Enter the LED strip status adjustment page. On the Value page, you can adjust the LED strip color. Scroll down to Yellow HLM, which correspond to the LED's low, medium, and high brightness levels, and adjust them according to your preference. You can also use the trigger above to turn the LED strip on or off, or click Enable to disable the LED output entirely. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.